Hey, welcome to Bob's Wood Shop. I've got to cut some stopped dados, and I want to show you a safe way of doing that. I've got this block here clamped down with two clamps, and that's where it's going to stop. This block with two clamps will keep it from flying up at me, and each time I finish a cut, I'm going to stop it and then slide it down and then make the next cut until I get to where I have to be. Okay? Well, it looks like it worked out pretty well. Let's see how we did. Okay, there we are. And then what we'll do is we'll work our way all the way over to this side, and then I'll take the back out with the chisel. And there's the second one. Now I'm going to take the block off the top because I can't see my reference mark on the other side. But that's okay because we'll put the block back and it doesn't change the setup any. There we go. Gotta get that up out of the way. This block here, because we're so low on the saw, we're going to have to make the block wider than the piece that I'm cutting. That kind of helps to keep it from kicking out as well, if it so happens. Got that little edge of the clamp there to hold on to it. Okay. A little too tight. Well, we're going to move that anyway. So let's get to cutting. Okay, there's a lesson there. If it don't feel right, it ain't right. Don't do it. The clamps are still a little bit too tight, and I'm not able to pass it down through the bottom of the clamps. So a better choice would be to clamp that up there. Probably wouldn't hurt to put a little wax on it, but it's okay. It'll work. Good and tight. Clamps ain't going anywhere. Okay, let's try it again. We'll wait until the blade comes to a complete stop. And there we are. Perfect. Right on the line. So now we can continue to hog out the material that we need to take out. That'll be a good one. I'm going to have to clean the back out with a chisel, so I'm not concerned about some of the little splines that are left in between where the blade didn't hit. And always stand to the side. Let's see how we did there. Yep, good. Move it over another 1/4 inch because that's how much we happen to be taking off at a time. Okay. Also want to make sure I'm going in the right direction. Yeah, vertically. There, we got them all that time. Moving down another 1/4. A little bit heavy with the clamps on it. Probably wouldn't hurt to put a feather board in here, holding it in that way, but then I wouldn't be able to pull it back. Have to take the feather board off each time. Come back a little bit more. Okay. went a little too far over on that first cut. I'm going to try and get a lot of that out of there. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Okay. Coming right along. Don't want to be tempted. You don't want to be tempted to slide that thing out of the way. That'd be dangerous. Okay. Another quarter. Another quarter. And I think we've only got one more cut and we're done. Yep, one more cut and that's it. And then we'll test it out, see if it fits, see if we got to tweak the sides of it. Okay. I'm going to go back and try and clean off that one there. Okay, and we've got two more. One more. That may be it. Might have a little bit left, but we can definitely clean that out with a chisel. Nope. There you go. Stopped Dado.